Hi, it's Camille, and today I'm going to be reviewing Pear Nova nail polish that I got from the lobby. So just to get you guys a little more familiar with the brand Pear Nova, they are Black women owned, which is amazing. Each bottle is $11, which is a steal for nail polish, and each bottle is non-toxic. While I was applying this nail polish, I found it super smooth and easy to apply. I'm usually someone who applies 2 different coats to their nail polishes, but if you were in a rush, this one you can definitely get away with 1 coat. And while we're waiting for the nail polish to be done, here is just a quick reminder of what the lobby is. You go onto their website and you get to pick anything out and try it on at home for 14 days for free. Because nail polish is a cosmetic item, if you get it in your lobby box, you can look at the color and decide if the color is right for you, but once you open the bottle, you cannot return it. As always, use code Camille15 for 15% off your order.
Thanks for watching our video. If you want to learn more about this item and try it before you buy, head on over to FromTheLobby.com. You'll pay $0 at checkout and only be charged for what you keep after 14 days. While you're there, you can watch and shop hundreds of video reviews from all your favorite brands. More details and links in the description below.